What's another mistake executors make? That is not following the terms of the will. So it's really important. Your job as the executor is not to say, well, I really think mom would have wanted this, or, mom had in mind that she was going to change the terms of her will, but she never really got around to it. You are obligated by law, and you gave an oath that you are going to precisely follow the terms of the will. You cannot alter the terms of the will and say, you know what, mom really wanted to disinherit that child, but she didn't get around to it. It's not your job. It was mom's job before she died to change the terms of the will if that's what she actually wanted. If she didn't do it, it's up to you as her executor to follow exactly the terms of the will. I mentioned earlier, you have to give notice to the beneficiaries and the heirs at law. Let's say that there are 5 kids in the family and mom said everything goes to the 5 kids equally. So everybody gets 20%. If one of those 5 kids is hard to locate because they're really estranged, they haven't talked to anybody in the family for 10, 15 years, they're still entitled to 20% of everything that's going to pass under the will. So it's your job as the executor to find them. That means you have to put on your detective hat and find that estranged sibling of yours. That might mean that you need to hire an heir search firm to say, I have looked for that person. And if you can't find them, then you might have to put that 20%, set it aside, and then it gets paid to the state in the unclaimed funds potentially until that 5th person is found, even after you've closed the probate. So don't feel like, well, there's an estranged child and mom really didn't want her to get it, even though the will says, so we're just going to divide it 4 ways, not 5 ways. You cannot do that. You will violate your duties under the law, and you really, really don't want to do that.